Hi, welcome to Best Jamaica Cooking. Today, we're going to cook chicken fried rice. For ingredients, we have soy sauce, chicken cut in cubes, scallion thinly sliced, diced onions, olive oil, 1 egg, rice preferably cooked the day before, salt and black pepper, and green beans which are optional. Now let's go ahead and add the onions to the oil. You'd have noticed that we did not use a lot of oil because we are health conscious. To save time, we're going to scramble the egg in the same moment. Now let's go ahead and add the chicken. Try and mix everything around. Now we add a little salt, some black pepper, mixed everything around. Now let's cover it and allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Now let's go ahead and add the other ingredients, starting with the rice. Now let's go ahead and add the soy sauce. One has to be careful with soy sauce because it's a bit salty. Try not to add too much at once. And finally, we have the scallion. Mixed everything around equally. Then we're going to cover and allow it to simmer for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, with low flames, very low. And here we go, nice and brown, Jamaican fried rice.